Okay, I came to do my curtains part. I got my healthy or very useful bag that I used to go back and forward. Oh, the hammer. Yes. And I got also my little steps. So I have to put the curtains there. Let's see. I have, it works good. I got these little nails. Can you see it? I guess no. How do you call these? Upholstery nails, antique brass. I think it looks good since it's so old-fashioned. So let's do it. Frosty! So I went ahead and planned my plan for the day. As you know, yesterday, let's go there. This was what I got. This is how far I went on my sewing. I'm here, so still working on that. I need to take care of that. My knitting, I haven't done too much. Laundry, I am actually here, and I just went and put my curtains down. Oh, I got tired. I was playing with the dogs too. So for today, I put here my meals. That is what I have on my breakfast and kind of snacking, because I was talking with my mom and I was drinking my mate, then I was ironing, and now I'm doing laundry and I'm ready. I have my machine there. I'm ready to sew. Decor this I will begin as soon as I finish all my laundry, because I need to move stuff. And garden, I did the sunflowers. I need to clean the whiskey barrels. I hope it will get a little more sunny. Yes, I know, we will try to put a walk-in with dogs today. I know, but not right now. It's too early. We will go later, okay? I know. Okay, let's finish this. Let's go and do the sewing. Okay, I have my machine ready. This came in a chocolate, and I have there the Easter bunny. So I have my project here. I need to do, this is the back side of my blouse, and I need to do all that. And I will take notes. I have to keep going and doing notes of these, because things that I'm finding, like one of the notes, sorry, the moving, on this one, number, let me see, where are we? On number 4, it's a cut 4 pieces of this fabric, and 2 has to be the interfacing. I cut the 4 pieces and I have two, and this doesn't say anything about what to do with those ones. Just talk about 2, so I will see. I will just keep going and see what I found out. If I notice that it's just a mistake and I really don't need 4, maybe it's 4 for another kind of project. I don't know, but it's a ABC and I'm doing B. Confusing. As I mentioned, maybe, or didn't mention, I'm new sewing, so I don't have experience, and I'm doing this by myself, learning slowly. So let's do it. Okay, I can keep going. I just finished my book. Great. And I almost done here. I need to put this one. I will see how it looks. I think it will look good.